Marley Bird YouTube channel, brought to you by Red Heart Yarns. In this video, I will show you how to bind off those stitches with the new Loop It yarn by Red Heart. When you come to the end of a project, you have to finish off these stitches by using what's called a bind off. You go ahead and work the first 2 loops on your project with the next 2 loops of your working yarn. In this example, I'm working knit stitches. Once I have worked those 2 loops, I then will go ahead and the second loop I pulled through, I'm going to have that go through the first loop I did, up and over. Now I will take the next loop on my working yarn, pull it through the next loop on my project yarn, and this loop I just pulled through, I want it to go through this loop that I've already bound off. So I will have it go through that one. I take the next loop on my working yarn, work it through the next loop on my project. Once again, this loop I just pulled through, I want to pull it through the loop that I have sitting there next to it. On my example, I'm on my last loop. I go ahead, pull that one through, and then put that one through that previous one. And at this part, I can go ahead, I'm going to snip this loop open, just like we did when we started. And then I'm going to snip this to finish, pull this string through that bind off that was on there, and then go ahead and you can weave in this tail, just like so. Now you know how to bind off your project. Everything you need to know about knitting or crochet can be found right here on the Marley Bird YouTube channel. Learn with Marley Bird. Visit youtube.com/Marley Bird.